Right, welcome to Metro Manila. I've been living in this city for a year now, a year and a half almost. I've stayed at a whole bunch of places in Makati. I think that the city that I'm living in now, Pasig, this is the spot to be. It honestly depends on what area of Pasig though. Pasig is kind of a big area on the map, but in the specific place that I'm staying, Capitolio, like right now I'm walking to the gym, which is in Mandaluyong, and it's taking me like 10, 15 minutes. I can also get to Makati by like motorbike or car. It takes like 5-minute drive. But the place I'm at is like almost centrally located. BGC is also right around the corner. Quezon City isn't too bad of a drive away, and you can still easily get to the airport. Plus there's a whole bunch of other cool areas that are around here. Just up ahead I'll be walking into the Green Fields District, and the name holds very true to its name. There's a lot of greenery around here. This is the place where I had Quick for the first time. Cool little food truck night market. I want to say it's open every day of the week, but just in the evening times. Yep, and it's called Food Truck Fest right here in the Greenfield District. I mean, this area has a bunch of nice shops around here. I actually got to make some future videos of just exploring the place because I've only really walked through here or to the gym. But this area has a bunch of coffee shops, places to eat. About to walk up on a mall right here. And this area is pretty active as well. They have an indoor basketball court you can go to. They got indoor rock climbing. They got a cool little obstacle course place. They got the Bay Mall over here. If I remember correctly, it's a one-story mall, but not too big. It's still a decent place to cool down with that AC. But yeah, I've been here a year so far. Still a lot to see and do, which I'll definitely be sharing with you. One thing I really want to do is find some good street food. Street food is one of the one things I really haven't delved into in the Philippines yet. That's the indoor basketball court, Game Villa. Can't play basketball, I'm uncoordinated, but if you do, get it right there. Oh, they got a protein bar too. I did not know that. There's a protein bar by nutrition department. I know they have one at some mega mall, which I've been going to because I love the protein right there. But I didn't know they had one open right there too. I'm about to check that out after the workout. Exciting. All right, look at this view. This is right in the center of Metro Manila. That's beautiful. Workout was success. Now it's time to recover. So I'm gonna check out that Nutrition Depot protein bar. It's got me excited. Right. Da, 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 da. Hello, how are you? Hi. How long has this been open? This place, the nutrition? Oh, so it's pretty new? Because I've been to the one in Mega Mall. Yeah. I didn't know this one was here. This one's closer. Can I do, I guess, the berry protein punch? Berry protein. Yeah, we'll do a large. And is there a way to do like an extra scoop of protein?
Extra whey protein.
Yeah, whey protein. And that's it.
Card?
We'll do cash. Cash. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4. Okay. So as you can see, they had a whole bunch of different flavors at the protein bar. They have different fruit protein shakes. They have some coffee protein shakes, which are actually really good too. And then they have some BCA recovery shakes. The one I got cost 350 pesos, which is around like $6. But I got an extra scoop of whey protein, so I think the original price is around 250 pesos. I love seeing places like this pop up in the Philippines because there's not many places that have protein shakes or very many protein options when it comes to health food wise. Unlike Thailand or even Vietnam, man, those 7-Elevens are packed with like different protein options you can choose from. After the protein shake though, I went over to Pioneer Center because it was pretty close by. There's a whole bunch of different shops in this area where you can eat at. There's a grocery store, but there's a place called Mad Marks that I stumbled upon the other day. And man, I had a 500 peso steak that was just really delicious. I've been thinking about it for 2 days straight, so I had to go back for seconds. I think you get a flank steak, you have optional 2 sides. And then if you do get the 2 sides combo, you get a free like strawberry and banana shake. So 500 pesos is pretty decent for the price. All right, so there's one more place I want to check out before I head home. And the bad thing is, I hate this part of the season because it rains unexpectedly. So when you're in rainy seasons in the Philippines, you always need to bring the umbrella because you never know. Oh, what is going on? It just started pouring. Hello. Can I try the cold brew? Cold brew. Okay. Thank you. That's it. So I thought this place was gonna be a coffee shop, but it looked like they had a lot more stuff on the menu. But they did have one coffee option, so I got the cold brew. See how it tastes. All right, back home now. And the verdict on the cold brew. It's cold brew. It's cold brew. It's good. I think this was 190 pesos. And for this amount you get, I think Starbucks gives you a little bit more. Starbucks version is 200 pesos, so you're only saving about 10 pesos, but I think with Starbucks you get a little bit more for your buck. I just got back from a trip from Vietnam, and man, I had so much fun just exploring around the city for the first time, kind of like I did when I was in the Philippines. I just didn't film it. We're gonna have some videos coming out for Vietnam. It kind of got me thinking like, man, why haven't I been doing this the whole time in the Philippines? So I'll be making some more videos on the Philippines as well. Being here for a year, I know a bunch of different places, so it should be fun to show you around. Till next time, we'll see ya.